Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State in Florida. And folks, it is such a gorgeous day. But what I want to talk with you about today is the Direct Mailing Club, folks. You know, the Direct Mailing Club has been around for ages, for a very long time, and it's not going anywhere. As a matter of fact, it's getting even better. Okay, let's put it that way. So here's the deal: at the Direct Mailing Club, folks, anybody can do this. This is such a simple business to do. Very, very easy, and yet lucrative income. Very good commission. Alright, all you need to do is reach out to me, 352-805-9846, 352-805-9846. You can text me, that's the best way. It is so beautiful, I had to open my window here whilst I'm driving. Yes, text me is the best way to reach me. And folks, anyone can do this mailing club. It is so simple. If you could put some information, stuff that in an envelope, put a stamp on it and mail it out, how hard, how difficult is that, folks? We have people making 6 and 7 figure income with the Direct Mailing Club. As a matter of fact, it's called the Impact Mailing Club, and it's a simple direct mailing flyer program. Folks, you can get your entire family involved. It's a good way, to have them do something to earn their pocket change you give them, right? This is an awesome way to do that. Now, you can even go to my website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com. Again, that's fastcashwithsharon.com. Folks, again, this is so simple, easy, breezy mailing system that you can do, and you can make anywhere from $65 all the way to $1,000 in commission. Yes, folks, you heard me correct. That is so true. So what I need from you is that, if you could hit the bell, okay, this way it will notify you whenever I'm doing a video and give you some, golden nuggets, tips and tricks, as well as hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, folks, again, this is Sharon Naraine, and I will be on the alert to see, and let me be the first to welcome you in to the Impact Mailing Club Direct Mailing System Program. Okay, again, hit the bell, subscribe to my channel, and you want to sign up, you want to call me if you need any more information, you want to talk with me. I'm very transparent, and folks, this is an amazing, wonderful business that anyone can do. Okay, so until then, take care and have a blessed, wonderful day. Bye for now.